Hi, I'm Gaynor, creator of Enhanced Touch, teaching estheticians how to enhance their touch through face massage techniques. Estheticians, did you know there are many styles of massage techniques that use the tips and the pads of the fingers and thumbs? Acupressure, mama point, shiatsu and Thai massage are just to name a few. In this demo, I'll show you how to apply the press and release technique you can use for working acupressure points on the face for the purpose of revitalising and re-energising the facial skin. So we're going to be using the flat pads of the middle fingers on acupoint stomach 4, which is located either side of the mouth. And here we gently apply pressure, getting deeper into the skin and release, and press and release, press and release. Now when I say release, I am literally applying pressure and then releasing my pressure. So I'm not coming off the skin. I'm pressing and releasing my pressure. Pressing and releasing my pressure. So press and release. Press and release. Press and release. With this type of massage technique, we're encouraging the smooth flow of the body's subtle energy, also known as qi. You can read more about qi in this month's blog or subscribe to my monthly newsletters at enhanced-touch.com.